Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, if you are getting an error message, if you type mysql from your terminal, if you're getting this error message, mysql is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if you can't access mysql from your terminal, potentially there are two reasons. If you haven't installed exam control panel, which comes with PHP and mysql. So if you haven't installed this software, then definitely installed it for Windows, Mac and Linux. I already installed this software, but still I'm getting this error. For fixing this error, you need to open the location where it is stored. So it is stored in the C directory, and then exam basically creates this folder, and just enter into this folder and just search for the folder mysql. This is a folder right here, and then go to the bin. So here all the executables are present right here on mysql. So if you try to access terminal from here and just type mysql, you will see the command will perfectly work. You can see that, but here you just need to right click, copy this location of this folder, right click, copy, and then just need to open environment variable, and then open your system variable, and just go to the path here, simply edit and new, paste this location. So after pasting this location, just restart the terminal and just typing the command mysql once again. You will see the command will perfectly work right here, and in this easy way you can fix this error message. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.